Looking to add more spring in your step? Switch to Alive Max Potency Multivitamins from Nature's Way. They're packed with high-potency B vitamins to help your body convert food into energy. But that's not all. Alive multivitamins provide 100% or greater of the recommended daily value of 20 vitamins and minerals to promote overall health, as well as help support heart health, immunity, metabolic function, strong bones, and healthy eyes. Alive Max Potency Multivitamins contain nutrients from 26 fruits and vegetables, 14 green foods, and 12 mushrooms. Formulas also contain 12 digestive enzymes, 18 amino acids, essential fatty acids, citrus bioflavonoids, and antioxidants. Alive Max Potency Multivitamins are available in tablet and capsule formulas for all adults, or if you prefer, distinct formulas specially balanced for the unique nutritional needs of men and women. Ready for more spring in your step? Nothing beats feeling alive.